Are you ready to delve into the mind-bending world of black holes and uncover the secrets of the universe's most enigmatic phenomena? Join us on a journey through the science behind black holes as we unravel the mysteries of their formation, behavior, and mind-boggling power. Buckle up and get ready to be blown away by this thrilling adventure. Watch the video and discover the hidden wonders of the cosmos. These gluttonous beasts are some of the most fascinating objects in space. Black holes are some of the strangest and most fascinating objects in space. They're extremely dense, with such strong gravitational attraction that not even light can escape their grasp. The Milky Way could contain over 100 million black holes, though detecting these gluttonous beasts is very difficult. At the heart of the Milky Way lies a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*. The colossal structure is about 4 million times the mass of the Sun and lies approximately 26,000 light-years away from Earth. What is a black hole? Black holes are made of matter packed so tightly that gravity overwhelms all other forces. When you pick up a bowling ball, it's heavy because the matter is densely packed. If you packed more and more mass into the same tiny space, eventually it would create gravity so strong that it would exert a significant pull on passing rays of light. Black holes are created when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, and perhaps under other circumstances that we don't know about yet. One of the first steps toward the discovery of black holes was made by University of Chicago professor and Nobel laureate Subrahmanyan Chandrasekhar, when he realized that massive stars would have to collapse after they ran out of fuel for the fusion reactions which keep them hot and bright. Albert Einstein first predicted the existence of black holes in 1916 with his general theory of relativity. The term black hole was coined many years later in 1967 by American astronomer John Wheeler. After decades of black holes being known only as theoretical objects, the first black hole ever discovered was Cygnus X1, located within the Milky Way in the constellation of Cygnus, the Swan. Astronomers saw the first signs of a black hole in 1964 when a sounding rocket detected celestial sources of X-rays, according to NASA. What do black holes look like? Black holes have three layers: the outer and inner event horizon and the singularity. The event horizon of a black hole is the boundary around the mouth of the black hole, past which light cannot escape. Once a particle crosses the event horizon, it cannot leave. Gravity is constant across the event horizon. The inner region of a black hole, where the object's mass lies, is known as its singularity, the single point in spacetime where the mass of the black hole is concentrated. Scientists can't see black holes the way they can see stars and other objects in space. Instead, astronomers must rely on detecting the radiation black holes emit as dust and gas are drawn into the dense creatures. But supermassive black holes, lying in the center of a galaxy, may become shrouded by the thick dust and gas around them, which can block the telltale emissions. Sometimes, as the matter is drawn toward a black hole, it ricochets off the event horizon and is hurled outward rather than being tugged into the maw. Bright jets of material traveling at near-relativistic speeds are created. Although the black hole remains unseen, these powerful jets can be viewed from great distances. The E-Cheese image of a black hole in M87, released in 2019, was an extraordinary effort, requiring 2 years of research even after the images were taken. That's because the collaboration of telescopes, which stretches across many observatories worldwide, produces an astounding amount of data that is too large to transfer via the internet. With time, researchers expect to image other black holes and build up a repository of what the objects look like. The next target is likely Sagittarius A*, which is the black hole in the center of our own Milky Way galaxy. Sagittarius A* is intriguing because it is quieter than expected. which may be due to magnetic fields smothering its activity, a 2019 study reported. Another study that year showed that a cool gas halo surrounds Sagittarius A*, which gives unprecedented insight into what the environment around a black hole looks like. What's inside a black hole? Black holes have two parts. There is the event horizon, which you can think of as the surface, though it's simply the point where the gravity gets too strong for anything to escape. And then, at the center, is the singularity. That's the word we use to describe a point that is infinitely small and infinitely dense. We have a good understanding of what the event horizon looks like, thanks to the laws of general relativity. But as you get close to the singularity itself, we lose the ability to even predict what it looks like. Very near the singularity, one would expect quantum effects to become important. However, we don't yet have a quantum theory of gravity, or at least one capable of reliably making such predictions. So we just don't know the correct description of the singularity, or even whether it really is a singularity, said University of Chicago professor Robert Wald. Scientists think that black holes eventually will explode, but it will take many, many times longer than the current age of the universe for that to happen. How do black holes form? Scientists know about one way that black holes form, but there may be others. One way to make a black hole is to have a massive star collapse at the end of its life. Professor Subramanian Chandrasekhar was the first to calculate that when a massive star burns up all its fuel, it will collapse. The idea was ridiculed at first, but other scientists calculated that the star continues forever to fall inward toward its center, thus creating what we called a black hole. Black holes can grow more massive over time as they eat gas, stars, planets, and even other black holes. There's another type of black hole called a supermassive black hole. These are way too massive to have been created by one star collapsing. It's still a mystery how they form. Black holes can eat other black holes, so the supermassive ones may be made of many small black holes merged. Or perhaps these big black holes were especially hungry and ate so much of their surroundings that they grew to enormous size, said Professor Holes. But we can see these supermassive black holes formed very early on in the universe, maybe too early to have been made by stars getting old enough to collapse. So there may be some other way to make a black hole that we don't know about yet. In conclusion, the science behind black holes is truly mind-boggling, and this video has only scratched the surface of what we know about these mysterious objects. From their formation to their effects on surrounding matter, black holes continue to fascinate scientists and the general public alike. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of human understanding. The universe is waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our interesting videos.